Alright, what is going on everybody? It is Tristan, and today in this video, basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you all my biggest sneakers dub of all time. Basically, for any time I've been using sneakers, anything like that, you know, whenever I've been interested or just been going for, you know, sneakers drops, this is pretty much my biggest dub I've ever taken, and I just got it in the mail. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Just kind of unboxing it, you know, me going over it, quality, just kind of a review of it, and you know, just the Off-White Union Air Jordan 4 off NOIR, super fire sneaker. And I also want to discuss some other things, like I'm moving out of this house here tomorrow, and I want to discuss, you know, just some details, maybe some sneakers tips and things like that, but also just kind of discuss the fact that I'm moving out into a new house, and we'll be kind of showing that around on the channel. So I hope you guys will enjoy. If you want more content like this, feel free to go ahead and subscribe below, and also drop a like. We'll be doing plenty more unboxings. Expect a video tomorrow, of course. And let's try to like 200 likes on this video too, that'd be dope. But if you also want to, aside from all that, my Discord is down in the description. And right there by my Discord in the description, you know, we talk about sneakers and chat and all that in the Discord. You know, whatever you want to do, we do there. That's appropriate, that's appropriate. But also right down there is my Instagram. So if you want to go give my Instagrams a follow, I'd really appreciate that. You know, show some love in the gram, road to 6K there. But long intro, but let's get into unboxing this nice, super nice pair of sneakers right here. Super happy about it. Alright, so as I mentioned, the kind of crazy story on how I copped these, again, it was in the middle of a video, as I did, it was like a few days ago, yeah, basically just during a video, I copped these, and yeah, I managed to get a size 9.5, I entered with a few seconds left in the raffle, and I just had like a few counts, and yeah, there you go, I managed to get this size 9.5, and it is the Union Air Jordan 4, just want to kind of peep the box, you can kind of see it is obviously Jordan, that is the one, those are his hands, those be Jordan's hands, it's clearly him shooting, and you know how I can tell from it, it's him shooting, is because once you open the box, the actual and you know, I will open it. By the way, I just want to admire the kind of the Union LA colorway, the kind of like yellow and blue here. It's just like super nice. I don't know why, just like when you see this box in hand, it just kind of like, you know what I mean, like it's just nice, you know. What the hands, you know, see, like it kind of makes sense because once you open the box, it actually oh, well, it doesn't fold to that. But I was going to say then it folds to another picture of Jordan right here, and it'll kind of show that in a second. I'm just going to set that there. But yeah, it just kind of shows, you can see just the Jordan wrapping paper, which again, I think is super nice. It's just kind of him holding the trophy. And you can just kind of see like some of the details there of it. But like they really just put a lot of work into the shoe, and you can clearly see why it is expensive. The presentation is there, and that's its big part of sneakers. Obviously the whole part of sneakers, I don't know why I'm saying it's a big part of sneakers, the whole part of sneakers is presentation. If the sneaker doesn't look good, then the presentation is bad, you know what I mean? So yeah, aside from the cool wrapping paper and all that, the actual sneaker I want to check out and show you all right here. I am holding this one for a few months, and I will be showing it to you all, or I'll probably be holding it for as long as I need to until I make it like 1,000 off this shoe. But got it for retail, the Jordan 4 off NOIR, the Union LA collab. This one is super nice. Just want to really point out the details. This one is like, by the way, like super clean in person. Like the quality on this one is killer. Like the way they did like the whole toe box around here, like this is so well done. Well, these, like, look at the stitching, like they did not mess up anything, and they got the little suede here, like this is super fresh, and they got the suede kind of like all around, like kind of like this part right here, all like around the like lower part, before you actually head to the sole. And you know, of course, you got the little air bubble right there that comes with most 4s. Again, Air Jordan 4s are like my favorite, but this one is just not, even though Air Jordan 4s are my favorite, this one is not one I'd really wear. I would prefer the Guava Ice over this one, but again, I'm not really like with like the super hype stuff. I mean I am, but like I don't know like too much like that. Like if I had to choose one, I definitely would go with the Guava Ice. Again, not complaining having this one. This is an amazing cop, and I'm super happy I was able to get this off the sneakers app, and I'll give maybe a couple tips in a second. I'm not putting anything about tips in the title. I just want to really unbox and show the sneakers. So yeah, the bottom part of the sneakers you guys can see on the off NOIR, is kind of, you got the red and blue, and then the yellow part on the sole, and then the black right there too. All this kind of matches really well together. Maybe like my only part with the like off NOIR is just like the black on the sneaker. I don't think it fits too well. I think the black does fit, but maybe they could have changed like the blue to something else, you know. But again, the colorways are significant. Obviously the yellow and blue, you know, the box is yellow and blue, so I think those two ones probably mean something, but I think they could have maybe changed that up a little bit. But aside, like, you know, you got the black and white, and obviously the hype is still there for the shoe. Like, even though, you know, it may not be something that I think is the best looking, like there's no doubt that the hype is still there for this shoe. And you know, you got the little Jordan tag on this one. You could, again, most people are going to keep this one on, and or are definitely going to keep this one on, because you know, you can see it just says Union right there on the Jordan tag. Again, this is just kind of like one that's a little different, you know. Again, it's all right, you know. I mean, like, again, you know, it's like a nice, I'm super happy for the fact of how much it is going for. I don't really want to say that outright because I don't want people to be like, oh, he's just keeping it to resale. And it's like, yeah, you know, I mean, I kind of am. And like, who can you blame the boy? You know, he's just trying to make some dough out here, you know. But like, see, I mean, like, they got all the different parts. What is this though? I want to know what this is. This is kind of like a transparent. Again, this is a comment on every single Jordan 4 dude. This little part right here, but this is like transparent. I don't understand that. That transparent part kind of goes over the little Jordan Union LA tag right there, you know, or not the Jordan tag, but the Union LA. And you also got the little toe tag. Again, these are dead stock. I'm keeping it dead stock. I'm not about to put these on. If you want to go watch Tron, go watch the Tron, and you can do that. But again, I've also seen someone on this part of the shoe. I've also seen someone cut off this part of the shoe to see the actual Jordan tag that's underneath. I've seen a cool creative video on that. I don't know whose that is, but yeah, just another detail. Kind of got the different Air Jordan tag. It's a lot different than the normal one. And then also another detail I want to point out is this Nike Air swoosh on the back. Very clean. Like, this is nice, and like all the details in the shoe. Again, you can tell. Just like, I bet this is a very comfortable shoe. I bet it is, because like they just put a lot of effort into this one. As you can tell, it's high quality. There's no doubt about that. And then the other one that I actually wanted to take out right now and show you all. And I'll take out both of them so you can see them. But yeah, you also got the yellow laces. So you could, I've seen some people actually wear them with the yellow laces, and they've said that actually it looks better. So maybe you can try them with these. But again, I think the black laces actually kind of fit on the off NOIR a little bit more. So you can tell, like, I think the black laces fit a little bit more, like kind of with the upper part. Again, I think the yellow and black is a little bit different. But again, you know, like, it's not like anything bad. And you know, it just is super hyped. And you know, that's why people probably don't like the shoe. I can do a little thumbnail, you know, like this. But again, I think a lot of people probably gonna take a thumbnail like this. You know, I'd rather just take the picture with the box. Whatever I did for the thumbnail, I did. But yeah, maybe I'm gonna do a little thumbnail. You know, I got something like here. You know, I'm just messing around. This is I'm just recording this video in advance for tomorrow, since I will be moving tomorrow. You know, I got all the boxes packed up. I'm gonna have to take that off the wall. You probably can tell some stuff. Like, I had my sneakers I usually stacked here. I've already put those in a box and moved those up. But yeah, also I want to point out the little details on the stitching there on the front part, like by the toe box here. Again, you can just really see how much effort they put into making the shoe right. And yeah, you know, I'm gonna keep these in as good a condition as possible. But yeah, I'm a really big fan of this, actually. Like, I think if the whole shoe was like me, I mean, they already have one in this colorway, but if they had done one like in the original, like Jordan 1 colorway, like the original Jordan 1, like blue toe colorway, if they'd done that for this, for the Jordan 4, I think that would have been so crazy for a Union. But yeah, overall, that's kind of like me unboxing my craziest sneaker stub of all time. Just got it in the mail today, and yeah, you know, I'm very happy about unboxing it. Hopefully, you know, again, shout out USPS for not going through and, you know, giving it a little try on the haul already. You know, I know some workers be doing that, but yeah, shout out whoever handled this package. Really big ups. But yeah, you know, really nice overall, in my opinion. Super happy about this. Going to be holding it until it goes up to like 1,500. But also, I want to discuss this right now. Aside from the shoe, aside from these beautiful pair of shoes right here, I am moving, as I said. So the videos, again, they'll be, again, still on schedule. I'll still be posting. Just expect maybe a new room tour or some. I'll be probably adding some stuff. You know, I've got to, again, still like organize and move some stuff tonight, so I'm not going to be posting 2 videos today. Obviously, I don't post 2 videos normally. But yeah, that's just kind of like, I'm moving. I just really want to point that out because, you know, I'm gonna miss this crib. This crib is really fun. I had a lot of good times here, and you know, made a lot of videos here. But you guys are gonna see a little setup change, a little thing like that, and it'll be pretty fire. So stay tuned for that. But you know, your boy's still gonna be going hard with the videos, posting every day as he can. And yeah, you know, just with the school and stuff, we still gonna manage it because I want to blow up. So you know, we're gonna blow up on YouTube hopefully. But we got the Union LA Jordan 4 off NOIRs. Super happy about unboxing these and getting them in the mail. And yeah, that's pretty much everything I gotta say. Moving, got a 6 shoe, and let's roll the outro. Anyways, if you guys want more content like this, you know, unboxing again, I can do plenty more sneakers unboxings. I said I was going to give some tips in the video, but just comment below if you guys want a how to cop off sneakers video. Like, I give usual tips in my how to cop videos on how to get them off sneakers, because I usually discuss sneaker straps. But if you want like an actual video where I break it down like 100%, let me know, because I can always got y'all. Because you know, I got these ones, and you know, I got the Lucky Greens too before that. So you know, your boy knows some stuff, and you know, I'm definitely giving some good tips. I'll be using them to get drops like this. So if you guys want a video like that, let me know. And also just subscribe and like for more content like this too. I said I can make more videos like this, so just drop a like if you want a video like this. And yeah, trying to hit like 200 likes. That's right there by the subscribe button, you know, trying to mention that. Also down there in the description is my Discord. If you want to go join my Discord, you know, we just talk and discuss sneakers and how to buy, how to resell sneakers, good sneaker investments. Like, we discuss so much stuff down there. So if you want to go join that in the description. It's right there by my Instagram. So if you want to go give me a follow too, you know, road to 6K. And yeah, you know, that's pretty much everything I gotta say. All my personals, all that's, you know, I'd appreciate the follow on the gram and all that. I'd be posting occasionally. And yeah, much love to everyone that be showing love and be watching the videos. Seriously, if you drop the like and do all that, you really, thank you. Because, you know, you're here before the storm, hopefully. Because if we blow up, then, hey, you're day one. But that's all I got to say. So I'm T. Thank y'all for watching. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Peace.